Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. Lionel Messi disrespected his boss Pochettino by reportedly not updating his fellow Argentine on his COVID status. As former PSG winger Jerome Rotten calls the Ballon d'Or winner behavior shocking. Lionel Messi has been accused of disrespecting his PSG manager over updates on his COVID status. Reports in France in recent days stated that Pochettino only discovered his star man's positive test through third parties. Reflecting on the reports of Pochettino not being updated by Messi while the player had to isolate back in his native Argentina, former PSG winger Jerome Rotten believes it is a slap in the face to the manager. The former PSG winger said, "The coach must be above everyone else. It does not matter if it is a star or a youth player. The boss must be the head of the time." Pochettino was not updated as to where Messi was, and that explains a lot of things. This is not a good thing, and I think it is a very shocking from Messi. Messi, who is 34, made the most of French football's winter break with his wife Antolena and was filmed enjoying himself at the concert in Rosario. It is known whether Messi caught the virus at the concert, but the 7-time Ballon d'Or winner missed their 4-0 win away to the third tier on Monday in a French Cup round of 32 match. He has since returned to Paris after isolating and recovering, as is set to be targeting a return to a PSG team for this weekend Ligue 1 clash against Lyon. But even with Messi back in the fold, Rotten has been left bemused by the whole episode. Pochettino is being disrespected by Lionel Messi, the ex-PSG winger added. The Argentina international Messi, who joined PSG from boyhood club Barcelona back in August but has found himself heavily scrutinized in the French press following a mixed start. He has scored 6 goals in 16 games in all competition for the Paris side and will be looking to kick on in 2022. Pochettino's team are top of the Ligue 1 standings on 46 points after 19 matches, 13 points above of the second place Nice. On Thursday, PSG confirmed that the Angel Di Maria and Drexler had tested positive for the virus and as a result had started periods in isolation. So Lionel Messi was totally angry on his PSG boss Pochettino, who not updated about his COVID status.